Have you ever logged into QuickBooks and noticed a balance changed, or an invoice just magically disappeared, and you have no idea who did it? Today, we're looking at the audit log. You can think of it as a security camera for your QuickBooks account. I'm going to show you how to see exactly who is doing what inside your books. We'll look at how to track deleted files, spot data entry mistakes, and see a step-by-step history of every change made by any user on your team. It's the absolute best way to keep your business secure and accurate. Let's jump right into the screen and get started. First, log into your QuickBooks account. From the dashboard, navigate to your settings in the top right corner by clicking on this gear icon. After that, click on Manage Users under the Your Company column. This will bring you to the Users page, where you will see a list of all the users in your QuickBooks account. Let's say I want to check this specific user's activity. You just need to click View User Activity right here next to their name. The audit log for that user will then open, and now you can check all of their activities. As you can see, you can track exactly what they edited, what they added, and when they signed in and signed out. It is a great way to easily analyze and track their workflow. You can also filter this activity list to find exactly what you need. You can filter by a specific user, or by time, choosing options like today, yesterday, this month, or even last year. You can also filter by specific events, like bank connections or budgets. Lastly, you can search for a specific keyword using the search box right here. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.